Hi, I'm Dr. Barrett Caldwell. I'm a professor of industrial engineering and aeronautics and astronautics at Purdue University. I'm a fellow of the Human Factors and Ergonomics Society and a fellow of the Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineers. And I'm here to share my expertise. How do you see the intersection of ISE with the growing emphasis on remote work and decentralized teams? One of the reasons why I really love this conversation and this question in particular, we're doing remote work and decentralized teams right now with podcasts. And to see a podcast or uh, a pre-recorded video as an important part of the educational process, or jumping onto a distributed tool for a 10-minute conversation like I did yesterday, really changes the pace at which work gets done. And if I think about all the discussions of what a Gantt chart is supposed to tell us in terms of work coordination, work dependencies, uh, how we link activities and who's doing what when, I think that remote work and decentralized teams is really the way that we can see drastic increases of efficiency. Uh, well, we have been seeing them for decades when you look at international research development production teams, where if they are in very different time zones, obviously they have to be doing things via remote work because you can't keep flying back and forth, but also because that means you can sort of hand over tasks from time zone to time zone and create this sort of sun never sets, to borrow an old colonial phrase, but to say we can have continuous handover from one team working in an Asian time zone to another team working in Europe or Africa to another team working in the Americas. The ability to effectively support the communication, the context reference, the data management and tools reference, to allow the different teams to share the information, to interact with current status, and to actually practice the remote work. That really has changed the way many companies do their work. It's the way that many academic institutions as well as companies were able to survive at all during the pandemic. I think about when I was starting out as a new assistant professor, the tools weren't there. The software tools, the collaboration and video conferencing tools just weren't there. So when I see the capabilities now of industrial and systems engineers to share CAD, to share metadata, to share complex pieces of digital manufacturing tools or logistics tools, or even in one of my areas, mission control interacting with on-orbit spaceflight platforms. These are all capabilities to say, let us figure out how to be more effective and more efficient with our use of time, human resources, infrastructure, and data and other resources to improve our coordination, productivity, safety, and efficiency.
Empower your career with the IISE Training Center. As an IACET authorized provider, we offer an unmatched range of courses, from Lean and Six Sigma to leadership and technical skills, all designed to meet your professional goals at every career stage. We can even bring our best instructors and courses to your campus, organization, or business. Whether online or in person, start your journey today. Visit iise.org/training center to learn more. The IISE Training Center, where where experts achieve excellence.